आगे थे, आगे हैं, आगे ही रहे। कोई रोक सके तो रोक ले, रोक ले, रोक ले। वो जिंदगी ही क्या ना, जो सोचा वो किया। हमको फिक्र क्या है गुजरे जमाने की, अपना है सारा जहां। मन में है विश्वास, आंखों में सपने, इरादे हमारे जवां। कोई रोक सके तो रोक ले, कोई टोक सके तो टोक ले। हम तो निकले हैं राहों में धूम मचाने, अब छूना है वो आसमां। आगे थे, आगे हैं, आगे ही रहे।
It is indeed my privilege to be in the midst of you during the culmination stages of Taragram Yatra. Taragram Yatra actually gets its inspiration from Taragram. Taragram is a series of sustainability resource centers which have been set up, created, innovated within the Bhumi of Bundelkhand in central India.
I would like us to show, to see what the youth from the city have seen in these villages that they have been to, through the 5 days that they have been there.
A group of 3 aliens were sent on an exploratory mission to gather intelligence on human society so that they might better understand the differences between their two worlds. One alien landed in a village known locally as Mador, other in Gopalpura, and one in Rampura.
In my village, they lived off agriculture for past 20 years. But after the poultry farms had settled up, now the people have a way of living that gives them more income and better living.
In my village, the humans were really chilled out. They didn't worry much about the water because they have a lot of sources nearby.
But I think mine did. With the initiative of development alternatives, we did have electricity across the Rampura village through solar panels.
Yatra was also significant in the sense that it revealed some areas that the organizers had not thought would be that prominent. The most important one amongst that in terms of service, in terms of sectors, was the whole area of ecosystem services. There were quite a few yatris who said that just as you recognize renewable energy, construction, agriculture as sectors, we need to now start looking much more emphatically at ecosystem services in precisely that manner. There was another very, very interesting discussion on how urbanization has to be taken account of, and the whole area of urban services where the informal sector, at least in our country, plays a huge role, should be an area of attention. So there were a couple of points of emphasis that came up.
But one is that we had a very strong focus on actually some of the bottlenecks, some of the problems in getting uptake of technologies. And very often this is the principal barrier constraint is lack of capacity to adapt, to adopt and to apply technologies in ways that are going to be as effective as they should be.
From the 3 days that we spent there are as follows. I've sort of put my points down. The first point that I'd like to make here is that dialogue, policy and action, it has to continuously align itself to the needs of the poor and the environment.
In terms of similarities, I think what we see, what I see here, what I see there in my country, is that we have the same human problems, issues. We're all humans, I guess.
To be developed is all about freedom to choose. 60 to 65% of the country's water requirements.
Challenges we face in our country is the disparity between the have and have-nots.
Of energy and water, in many parties when you go, people waste half a glass of water. So there's a disconnect between what
quite surprising that we're talking about some of the biggest problems humanity has ever faced.
I did not believe this, but today I believe that our development paradigm, India's development paradigm I'm talking of, is simply not sustainable. Okay, I don't believe that our development paradigm is sustainable, and we need to move to a very different kind of development paradigm.
We share this common belief that we face a major challenge. How can we come up with constructive approaches? How can we prioritize where attention is most needed? How can we look at some of the fundamental ways in which our economy, our society, our ecology functions in order to achieve better alternatives, work towards better ways of managing our environment and improving equity and social livelihoods and standards?
During our discussions, it was coming out very, very clear that there was a whole bundle of an area in terms of food security, water security, energy security. How do you look at this in moving towards a green economy?
आगे थे, आगे हैं, आगे ही रहे, है बाजुओं में